Satnam and welcome. I'm Param Dave and this is Yogic Living. As you can see, we're not on the mountain today. We're here in Los Cabos in an Airbnb that we're staying at. And I'm going to teach you how to make sesame ginger milk, which will help you to restore your sexual nerve strength after you've had some sexual activity. Alright, first we're going to heat up some milk. And we're going to heat up about 12 ounces of milk. I'm using some non-dairy milk because I can't do dairy. So we're going to heat up about 12 ounces of milk. Okay, so the next thing we need is 2 tablespoons of ginger. So we're going to have to peel this, and I'm just going to peel it like this and get off all the skin because the skin is not digestible. Now if you were going to make yogi tea, you could of course leave the skin on because we're not actually ingesting the ginger, we're just kind of teaing it. But since we're actually going to put this in the drink, we have to go ahead and peel it. And then we're going to chop it up coarsely. So now that we've got our ginger coarsely chopped, we're going to put that into our blender. And we have 2 tablespoons here. A little bit over. That's alright. Ginger is very good for the nervous system. Okay, so now that I've got a 1/4 cup of sesame seeds. I'm using black sesame seeds for this one, as you can see, but of course you can use the white ones as well. And now we don't drink it, we just put it into the carafe. Alright, now we're going to add some maple syrup to this. You can also use honey, so we're using a teaspoon of maple syrup or honey. And just add that into your carafe too. And we're going to blend this all together here. So now that our milk is heated up, you don't need to boil it, just heat it up. We're going to add that into the carafe as well. You don't want to heat that with the ginger because otherwise that'll especially if you're using real milk, it'll spoil the real milk. So now that we've got everything in the blender, we're going to put it on the base and blend it up. Make sure you put the lid on because otherwise you'll make a huge mess. And we're just going to blend it up. And ideally you want it to be smooth and creamy if possible. So there you have it. Alright, let's give it a try. Very good. Nice and gingery. This drink will help you to rejuvenate you after you've had some lovemaking activity. And it's ideal to take it 45 minutes or less after you've had some sexual activity. Alright, Satnam Jeez. Have a good one.